Greetings, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, specializing in WordPress and WooCommerce. This tutorial is about what order fields are supported by the WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin. WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin is one of the most effective and powerful plugins for bulk editing all order fields defined in WooCommerce. There are no limitations on this plugin. You have access to all of the fields of WooCommerce orders, even the custom fields that you've personally added to the WooCommerce order page. So, to support all of the fields related to the WooCommerce orders and also help you to find them easily for editing, we have divided them into 6 categories. And these are general, which is the first. Then we have billing, then shipping, pricing, other fields, and custom fields. Well, it's obvious which fields each category contains, but for you to have a better insight into the bulk edits form, we're gonna review them one by one now. So, first of all, there is the General tab. In the General tab, you can find some fields related to the WooCommerce orders, for example, date and paid date. They can be edited by using a built-in calendar to pick a date very easily. And then we got status. And to edit status, you need to choose the items listed in the combo box. Then we have customer notes. And to assign any notes to the customer notes, you just need to type a text in the text box. And then order notes. And for editing the order notes, you have to first specify if you want to edit a private note or a customer note. Then you can type any text on the text box to be assigned to that field. Then there is billing tab. All fields related to the order billing are provided in this tab. So some of them are billing first and last name, billing address 1 and 2. And then there is billing city, country, state, billing company, billing email, phone, and postcode. As we described how to change multi-order billing fields at the same time in another tutorial, we're just gonna skip this part and jump right into the next tab. Alright, so the next one is the shipping tab. All fields related to the order shipping are provided in this tab, which are shipping first and last name, shipping address 1 and 2, shipping city, country, state, shipping company, shipping email, phone, and postcode. And if you need any more information about how to change multi-order shipping fields at the same time, please refer to the related tutorial in our channel. Alright, then there is pricing tab. We have listed all of the fields related to the order pricing in the pricing tab, and the first one is order currency. And to edit this field, you can easily choose one of the currencies from the built-in list we have provided for you right here. And the rest of the fields including cart discount tax, and order total. And to edit these fields, you need to change their amount, so we designed 2 boxes in front of them to make the editing easier. From the condition box, you can manage how to change the current value of the field according to the new value entered in the text box, and then setting a condition, which are set new, clear value, formula, increase, decrease by value, increase, decrease by percent, and that's it. Okay, now text box. You're allowed to type any number in the text box to let the plugin apply the selected condition to it. If you need any help for bulk editing via the conditions provided in this tab, you can find an ultimate guide in how to bulk edit the cart discount of WooCommerce orders in our channel. Alright, our next tab is the other fields. In the other fields tab, we listed some fields that you can use the combo box design in front of each one for bulk editing. These fields are create via, a payment method, shipping tags, order shipping, a coupon usage counts, order stock reduced, and price index tags. And then we got custom fields. Now, as we explained in how to add custom field meta key to WooCommerce bulk edit plugin, you have full access to all of the custom fields added in the meta fields tab in this part to bulk edit your orders according to them.